How to fix iPhone charging problem at home. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone's charging problem at home. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is I recommend you guys to update to the latest iOS version. Now sometimes an iOS version might not be compatible with your iPhone. So if that's the case, there will be more battery drain. So head over to your settings and head over to general. Tap on general and there you'll find software update. Tap on software update and update your software so that you'll get more optimized version of a software. After you do that, you will need to then head over to your general settings again, and on your general setting, scroll down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and after you do that, tap on reset. Then reset all of your settings. After you reset all of your settings, what you can then do is you can then try to force restart your iPhone. So to force restart your iPhone, first press and quickly release the volume up button, and then press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button. After doing that, if your problem is still not fixed and your iPhone is stuck on the red battery sign, what you'll need to do is you'll need to check if your charging cable and adapter is not damaged. So check for that, and you can even try to use another charger. After that, also clean the charging port, and after you do that, you are all good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.